After the non-cooperation movement, regular Congress sessions were keeping people full of energy and enthusiasm. During this time, two big decisions were taken during the 1927 Congress session in Madras: the call to boycott Simon Commission and the resolution for Purna Swaraj. The British government had created a commission to review the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms of 1919. Sir John Simon was the chairman of this commission, and his job was to examine the reforms of 1919 in accordance with Indian interests. It was sheer arrogance on the part of British that they created a commission to look into Indian interests but did not have a single Indian as a member. It would be like when laws are made in the interest of farmers without including the opinions of any farmers. Not including a single Indian in the commission was an insult to Indians. Based on this insult, all self-respecting Indians decided to oppose the Simon Commission. From Mahatma Gandhi to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the Congress party along with the countrymen stood in opposition to the Simon Commission. On 3rd February 1928, as soon as the Simon Commission stepped on India's land, the whole country went on strike. The only answer the dictatorial forces had to these legitimate protests was repression, because their very foundation would shake with every call to protest. One such lathi of the British rule killed the revolutionary leader of Congress party, Lala Lajpat Rai. And Lalaji's last declaration was, "Every single stick hit on my body would prove to be the last nail in the coffin of the British rule." Under the pressure of the Simon Commission, the Council of India Act of 1935 was implemented, through which Indians got the right to administer provincial governance. Therefore, in the first provincial election of 1937, a large number of Indians won, and the Congress got an overwhelming majority from all over the country. In the next episode of Dharohar, you will see how the Nehru Report lobbied strongly for Indians against the Simon Commission. In all of India's most difficult moments, Congress has stood like a wall, protecting the nation and its people. Jai Hind.